Now let's move on to another type of validation. That means we have to reduce the errors inputted by the user. I think the most important field in this table will be the student ID. If the student ID is not correct, then everything can go wrong. The format of the student ID will be like this. Always begin with the letter S, followed by 6 digits. Only digits, not characters. Yeah, let's say we should not allow users to input something like this. As a This is possible right now, but actually this does not make sense because it does not follow the format of the student ID. You can design rules to prevent such mistakes. Go to the student table design view. And this time we can set, we call this an input mask in the student ID field. Here, this is the input mask. A mask prevents the user from inputting error into the field. Click on this button. So Access will display a number of samples of input masks. For example, this is the social security number of an American, just like the Hong Kong ID of Hong Kong citizen. You can try this. You can only input numbers in the input mask. You cannot input characters. If I input A, B, or C, an error sign will be outputted. So you can only input numbers if you use this input mask. If you select the password input mask, you can try it. Everything you type will be masked. Only an asterisk character will be displayed. Now suppose we select this social security number input mask and click the next button. We can modify this. So you can see that in Access, the number 0 represents a number. If I delete this, I input 6, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And since the first character is the letter S and followed by 6 numbers, now we can try this. In the Try It field, we can input only numbers in the student ID. If we input characters, Access will output an error sign. Now we can click Finish, and we can see that the input mask is set for us. Save the table, and then go back to the datasheet view. Now let's try inputting the student ID. If I input, let's say, characters, again, Access won't allow me to do so. But I can input numbers like this. But of course, I can input other things like, let's say, S190001. This is still not reasonable. Of course, the input mask cannot prevent every error. But however, it can still prevent some unnecessary mistakes.